Look at this, creamy, smoky, and absolutely delicious. Right? Today we're making a simple Persian grilled eggplant dip. And trust me, you are going to love this one. Let's get started. First, add our roasted and mashed eggplant to a bowl. I've already prepared the eggplant, so now let's build all those beautiful flavors. Add 1 bowl of thick yogurt. Now give everything a really good mix until it's nice and creamy. And now, let's add the flavor. A little turmeric, black pepper, and salt, dried mint, some chopped walnuts, and finally, crispy fried onions. Oh, this already smells so good. Now mix everything together one more time. Make sure all those flavors come together. Perfect. Now comes the fun part, the garnish. Take those thin, crispy fried eggplant slices and gently arrange them right on top. Just like this. Simple, but beautiful. Now a little drizzle of olive oil and a final sprinkle of dried mint. All right, time for the best part. Let's give it a taste. That smoky eggplant, the creamy yogurt, the crispy onions, and that little touch of mint. So good. And that's it. Your Persian eggplant and yogurt dip is ready. Enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comments.